Stop scrolling. Did you know there's an electric car coming in 2025 that literally parks itself and sings to you? Yup, and that's not even the wildest part. Let's rank every single electric car dropping in 2025. One could turn your driveway into a viral meme. I'm Vinayak Gupta, and this is gonna be juicy. You ready for some EV drama? Let's go! First up, the Tesla Model 2. This thing's cheaper than your last Starbucks addiction, but will it finally have a horn that doesn't sound like a sick duck? Let me know in the comments. Tesla stands, is this the one? Next, the Rivian R2. Picture this, you're camping, you plug in your coffee maker, and the R2's battery laughs. Bro, is that all you got? This car's basically Bear Grylls if Bear Grylls was obsessed with Bluetooth speakers. Would you camp with an EV? Vote in the poll on screen. Now Hyundai is dropping the Ioniq 7. It's got more room than my DMs after a viral TikTok. Sliding doors, Star Trek vibes. I'd live in this more than my own apartment. Drop it in the comments if you'd road trip cross country in this beast. Don't sleep on the Lucid Gravity. This beauty's faster than your ex moving on. And the interior? More screens than a Best Buy on Black Friday. But the real wild card? Sony Honda's Afeela. Yes, Sony. The PlayStation people. This car has a screen across the whole dash. Imagine rage-quitting Mario Kart in your car. Smash like if you'd game in traffic. Quick meme break. Didn't expect that, huh? My verdict? If you want affordable, Model 2. Want adventure? Rivian R2. Want to flex? Lucid Gravity. Want to feel like you're in Tron Afeela? Which one are you hyped for? Drop your future car in the comments. Oh, and if you laughed, learned, or just love EV drama, hit that subscribe button because I drop bangers like this every week. Wait, did you catch the hidden meme? Rewind 10 seconds and comment if you spotted it. See you in the future. Loop it. Model 2 = affordability. Rivian R2 = adventure. Lucid = flex. Afeela = Tron plus PlayStation. Quick, like if you laughed, comment which one you'd buy. I read every single comment. Prove me wrong. Subscribe if you want more EV drama and meme roasts. Oops, wrong clip. Speedhook, did you notice that? My hot take? Electric SUVs are the new status symbol. Share this in 3 places. Help the algorithm test you. Check your retention. If it dies at 30s, rework the hook. Price, Model 2 wins. Range adventure, Rivian flexes. Luxury, Lucid takes it. Entertainment, Afeela wins Mario Nights. Poll one last time, would you camp with an EV? Tap now, drop an emoji, let's flood the comments, subscribe. Value-packed EV takes every week. Thanks for quick meme montage, don't blink. Psych, did you catch that Easter egg? Rewind. Next up, 2026 leaks, you don't want to miss it. Model 2, R2, Lucid, Afeela, one like = another banger. Comment Model 2, R2, Lucid, or Afeela now. Subscribe, don't miss drama. Real talk. EVs are changing everything. Do your test drives? Don't buy on hype alone. Like, comment, subscribe now. Rewind 10S, seriously. See you in the future, drive safe. Hidden meme at 054. Go. Vinayak Gupta, out.